Okay, there's the 3.1 task and the essential question that you need to answer on the homework. And the 3.1, it's ready 1 to 5, 12, 12 to 14, I'm sorry, set 12 to 14, go 15 to 20. And I'm going to show you the rest of the vault notes here for 3.1, and then do the same thing for 3.2. Okay, so what we've got from the task is a need for rational exponents, because we saw that the way they calculated those values in the table wasn't quite complete enough. So here is a rule for rational exponents. If I have a fraction and my exponent, 1 over n, this is called the index on your radical. The index is always the denominator of the fractional exponents. The same thing works if the numerator is an x. We'll get to this later in the next couple tasks. You can put that exponent on the outside of this expression. This part right here is the same as this. You can put the exponent on top from the numerator on the outside or on the inside on the base. It works both ways. On the ready problem, you're only doing 1 through 5. This is a review from Math 1. You're calculating differences, telling if or ratios, telling if these right here are going to be geometric or arithmetic. So calculate differences, common difference or common ratio, and then try to come up with explicit equation on the ready. The recursive equation is way too easy. So explicit equation right here. Skip the graph on the set. I'm sorry, on the ready. And then on the set, you have to figure out the ratio between the integer years. Read these notes right here. Okay? So the function looks like this. I'm going to do number 12 kind of right here. It's 2 times 3 to the x. So I have one step. What is the number going to be right here? Well, it's 2 times 3. It's not going to be to the 1. It's to the 1/2 power. So this is going to be 2 times 3 to the 1/2. So leave answers in simplest radical form and with rational exponents. There it is as a rational exponent, but I know 1/2 power from the task is the same thing as 2 rad 3. And so complete that logic and fill out all the rest of the table there for number 12, 13, and 14. And the go, this is where we start to learn all of the rules of exponents. Okay, here are some of them written down. Product rule, if I have like bases, I add the exponents. See those right there? Quotient rule, if I'm dividing the like bases, I subtract the exponents. 3 minus 2, 8 minus 5. You always start from the top to subtract. Negative exponents, I flip it to the other side of the fraction bar. Okay, that's it for the vault notes and RSG help.